The existence of atoms has been proposed since the time of early Indian and Greek philosophers as early as 400 BC, who were of the view that atoms are the fundamental building blocks of matter. According to them, the continued subdivisions of matter would ultimately yield atoms, which would not be further divisible. The word atom was derived from the Greek word atomio, meaning uncuttable or non-divisible. These ideas remained dormant for a long time and revived again by the discovery of subatomic particles by scientists in the 19th century. The atomic theory of matter was first proposed on a firm scientific basis by John Dalton, a British schoolteacher in 1808. His theory, called Dalton's atomic theory, regarded the atom as the ultimate particle of matter. According to Dalton's atomic theory, all matter, whether an element, a compound, or a mixture, is composed of small particles called atoms. The postulates of this theory is stated as: first, all matter is made of very tiny particles called atoms. Second, atoms are indivisible particles, which cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Third, atoms of a given element are identical in mass and chemical properties. Fourth, atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical properties. Fifth, atoms combine in the ratio of small whole numbers to form compounds. Sixth, the relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. Dalton's atomic theory was able to explain the law of conservation of mass, law of constant composition, and law of multiple proportion very successfully. However, it failed to explain the results of many experiments. For example, it was known that substances like glass or ebonite, when rubbed with silk, generate electricity. Later, many different kinds of subatomic particles, electrons, protons, and neutrons were discovered in the 20th century.